How can landlords access property for maintenance without violating tenant privacy? Imagine trying to fix a leaky faucet or inspect a heating system without upsetting the people living there. It might seem tricky, but there are clear rules to follow. Landlords have the right to enter rental properties for maintenance, but they must respect tenant privacy and follow the law. The first step is giving proper notice. Usually, this means sending a written message at least 24 hours before the visit. The notice should include the date, time, and reason for entry. It's best to deliver this during normal working hours, like between 8 in the morning and 5 in the evening, unless the tenant agrees to a different time. Next, landlords can only enter for legitimate reasons. These include emergency repairs, routine maintenance, inspections, or showing the property to prospective tenants or buyers. Random visits or unnecessary checks are not allowed. Respect for the tenant's right to quiet enjoyment is also essential. This means avoiding unnecessary disturbances or entering without permission or proper notice. Doing so could be seen as harassment and might lead to legal trouble. Access should be limited to reasonable hours, and landlords should stick to times agreed upon or specified by law. If a tenant is not home during scheduled maintenance, leaving a note or a door hanger explaining the visit helps keep things transparent. Lease agreements should clearly state the landlord's rights to access, including notice requirements and acceptable reasons for entry. This helps prevent misunderstandings. In case of an emergency that threatens life or property, landlords are allowed to enter immediately without notice. When they do so, it's good practice to leave a written record of the entry and work completed. This maintains transparency and protects both parties. Landlords must avoid abusing their access rights, as doing so can lead to legal consequences. To put this into practice, schedule maintenance visits well in advance and communicate clearly with tenants. Keep records of notices sent and entries made. If tenants are away during scheduled visits, leave a note explaining what was done. Always check local laws because rules can vary by location. Following these steps helps landlords maintain their properties effectively while respecting tenant privacy and staying within legal boundaries. This approach reduces the risk of legal issues and keeps the relationship positive.